Students, welcome you all to the online classes. Now again we will see with the problem relating to your custom duty payable. See in the script, that is a problem number 8. It is 2018 question paper, 14 marks. A very simple problem and there is no much adjustments. See the question, a consignment is imported by air. They are importing the goods from air. When the word is given that is air imported, remember you have to calculate what that is a right calculation you have to do, that is actual or 20 percentage on FOB. So in order to that you have to calculate the FOB. FOB means what? That is a free on board expenses which is incurred in the exporter country, manufacturing place or warehouse. From there to the exporter port ಏನೆಲ್ಲ expenses ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ FOB ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Right. Now, in order to calculate that adjusted FOB or revised FOB, so we are going to do some changes or we are going to add something. Now, see the problem. CIF, it is also called as cost insurance freight transaction value or assessable value. Here already they have given the assessable value, but we will going to walk back and we will calculate the revised FOB. How to calculate a revised FOB means CIF value minus, that is CIF value minus freight and insurance. Then we will get the revised FOB. See that CIF is 2500, this year 2500. Next, there is a freight is 600 US dollar and insurance cost is 75 US dollar. In the first column, that is a foreign currency amount, CIF minus freight 600 and insurance 75. That is a revised FOB is 1825. Again you convert this to the Indian rupees, but when you are converting into the Indian rupee, which rate you supposed to take? That is the exchange rate which is announced or notified by the CBIC, that is also called as Central Board of Indirect Tax and Customs. ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ರೇಟ್ ನ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ, ವೆನ್ ದ ಟೂ ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ CBIC, ಬಿಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಡ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ರೇಟ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, in this problem only one rate is given, that is notification is $1 is equal to 65. Take this 65 for the conversion. Now other information, basic custom duty payable is 10%. This we will going to take in the step number 2. On assessable value we will going to calculate basic custom duty. Again SWS at 10%. Social welfare surcharges, it is seems like education and health sales, but from 2018 there is no education and health sales. They have added as social welfare surcharge in order to get the more revenue for the government. Next, IGST, it is at subtotal of IGST, accessible value, BCD and SWS ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. So a very simple problem here. Step number 1, calculation of accessible value under section 14 of Customs Act 1962, and here right here in small in the corner, that is imported by air. Class, first in the foreign currency and Indian rupee, CIF cost insurance freight 2500. When it is converted to Indian rupee, 1,62,500 minus freight and insurance. The freight is $600. Amount is 39,000 Indian rupee. Insurance is 75 US dollar. Indian rupee 4,875. When you are deducting from CIF, revised FOB will be 1,825. And Indian currency 1,18,625. Add to this freight. How to calculate the freight amount means, that is actual amount which is given in the problem $600 or 20% on revised FOB 1825 into 20%, that is 365. So whichever is less, that can be taken as what? Freight. 365 is a lesser amount, that is take that as freight. 365 when it is converted to Indian rupee, that is 23,725. Next, add to this insurance 75 US dollar, and again When it is converted to Indian rupees, 4,875. Finally, the accessible value will be 2,265 and Indian rupees 1,47,225. Right. Again, meanwhile, go with the step number 2, that is a calculation of duty payable. You know the format, particulars, amount, and again it is duty payable. Accessible value, which is you calculated in the step number 1, 1,47,225. In the first column, and again in the second column nil because it is a duty payable, plus BCD, basic custom duty, add 10% on accessible value, that is 1,47,225 into 10%, that is 14,722. Take this amount in the both the column, in the rupee column, that is for the which will calculate landed cost, meanwhile duty payable 14,722. Add to this, you will get 1,61,947 and here 14,722 plus social welfare surcharge at 10%. On which amount? That is 14,722. 10% means that is 1,472. Again here 1,472. Add this, you will get 1,63,419 in first column and again 16,194 in the second column, that is duty payable. This is called as subtotal for IGST. Now on this amount you calculate IGST at 18%, which is given in the problem. Take the rate at which is given in the problem. If the IGST is not given, default go with the 18%. 1,63,419 into 18%. Don't consider this amount. Take the 1,63,419 which is there in the first column into 18%, 29,415. That is a tax amount. Add in the both column, right? Again add to this 1,63,419 plus 29,415. You will get 1,92,834. That is as landed cost, and again here 16,194 plus 29,415, that is 45,609. It is duty payable. A very simple problem, nothing much adjustment. They are not you are given to calculate, that is adjusted FOB like commission kottilla, packing kottilla, design kottilla. So very simple. say off in the fry to insurance ಮಾಡಿ revised FOB ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ fry to ಮತ್ತೆ insurance ನ add ಮಾಡಿ, then you will get accessible value and that you calculate what? Duty payable. Right. Thank you so much. Again continue with, we will see with the problem number 9. Take a 30 seconds time. Now, I can see with the problem number 9, it is a 2019 question paper, 14 marks. In exam, they will going to ask very simple problem, not much confused what adjustment. Mr. Bharat imports by air from USA a machine along with relevant accessories and space for the value US dollar 1,20,000 FOB. The other details are as follows. Bharat is a person who is importing the goods from air from USA. Right. When air is given, you have to go back. That is to calculate the FOB and that is adjusted FOB. Calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ 20% ಅಥವಾ actual amount ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, this 1,20,000 in FOB column, that is here. Next, commission to local agent in India. This commission will be called as what? The selling commission. All commission can be taken except selling commission, right? Because here exporter, he will going to appoint that person for the purpose of selling, then it becomes the expenses for the exporter. This it will be included in the FOB value, right? It is given in the Indian currency, converted to again dollars. First column ge convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. How to convert? That is rate is given 72. That is one rate is there. Next, freight and insurance from airport to factory Gordon. It is not in exporter country, it is in importer country. India port in the India company Gordon ge hogtarantado. It should not be included to FOB. Ignore it. Suppose if it is added, you deduct. Next one, freight US dollar 36,000. Take in the, that is step number 1. That is calculation of assessable value. That is compare with the actual and 20% of the adjusted FOB. Next, goods are insured, premium amount is not shown in the invoice and not available. Here, they must add, that is insurance for the transaction. Transport ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ insurance ಅವರು add ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. They already paid it, but they have not calculated. How to calculate the insurance? That is adjusted FOB into 1.125 percentage. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. If they have not given the insurance, you have to calculate at 1.125 percentage on which amount here. So that is 1,26,375 US dollar into 1.125 percentage. Right. Next, at the request of the Mr. Bharat, US $6,000 has been incurred as expenses for improving the designs of machine, but the same is not reflected in the invoice. Right. Here, that is importer Bharat is requesting with the exporter company. That is in order to make some designs. So that will be included in the FOB because it will again become the cost to the exporter. So that is a designing and development charges should be added to the FOB when it is given in the foreign currency, but when it is given in the Indian rupee, you should not take it up. Right now. Next, that is a basic custom duty is 15%, which we have to take for on assessable value mele calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. SWS on BCD, IGST on subtotal of IGST. Right? There is a one exchange rate, only one exchange rate that is considered as $1 is equal to 72 rupees. A very simple problem. Go through this. Then we will see now. Calculation of assessable value. FOB, take the FOB value, that is 1,20,000. 1,20,000. When it is converted to Indian rupees, 86,40,000. When add commission to the local agent which was given in the Indian rupee, you should convert to dollars. That is when it is converted to dollar, 375. Next, designing charges $6,000. When it is converted to Indian, 4,32,000. Add all this, you will get what? Adjusted FOB 1,26,375 US dollar. Indian rupee 90,99,000. Add to this, freight actual is 6,000. There is a, sorry, not 6,000, that is 36,000. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 36,000 or 20% on adjusted FOB, that is $1,26,375 into 20%, that is 25,275. Whichever is less, that is $25,275. When it is converted to Indian rupees, 18,19,800. And next, insurance at 1.125% on which amount? That is adjusted FOB 1,26,375. That you will get what amount? 40. That is 1,422 US dollar. Indian rupees 1,02,384. Add all this, you will get assessable value, that is 1,53,072 US dollar. Indian rupee 11,02,11,184. Next, step number 2, calculation of custom duty payable. Take the assessable value which you have calculated in the step number 1, that is which is amount Indian rupee tagoli 11 crore 2,11,184 is assessable value. It is in the first column, and the next column nil. Add 15% on that amount assessable value, you will get 1,65,31,678. Take this amount in the both the column, that is amount and duty payable. Add both, you will get 12,67,42,862. And when it comes to duty payable column, 1,65,31,678. Add social welfare such as on 1,65,31,678 31,678, that is 1 lakh, sorry, 16,53,168. Next, it is called as subtotal for IGST, that is 12 crore 83 lakh 96,030 rupees. On this, you calculate IGST at 18%, that is amount 2 crore 31 lakh 11,085. Then all of this, that is 15 lakh 7,315 is landed cost. But when it comes to duty payable, 1 crore 81, sorry, how much is that? Is 1 crore 81 lakh 84,846 plus 2 crore 31 lakh 11,285. That is a final duty payable amount is 4 crore 12 lakh 96,131. Right, this is with your problem, that is 2019 question paper, 14 marks, very simple problem and not much, that is adjustment. Next, meanwhile we will go and see with the problem number 10. Venki Limited, an actual user, imports certain goods from USA. Yes, so many persons are there. Here Venki is importing the goods from where? US. At Chennai airport, Chennai port, not airport, port. At cost is 1 lakh US dollar FOB. Take in the step number 1, accessible value calculate madbekare FOB togoli. Idakke certain cost na add ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. Right here, right in the, it is left or right corner, that is imported from seaport. See, you know, sea alli, that is ಹಡಗು ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಇವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, goods na import ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Right, and the certain cost, packing charges add to the FOB. Next, sea freight to Indian port 28,000. After adjusted FOB, add to that, since it is from sea, that is through the ship, don't calculate the comparison amount, you take the direct amount 28,000. Next, transit insurance, that is the insurance amount, that is 10,000. Add to the adjusted FOB after the freight. Designing and development charges paid to a consultant in USA by importer 9,000. Add to the FOB value. Selling commission should be considered other than buying commission. Next, it is given in the Indian rupee converted to foreign currency. How to convert the foreign currency? Take the Indian rupee divided by exchange rate. ಏನು amount ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, then you will get the dollar rate. Next, rate of exchange rate announced by RBI. Ignore. Rate of exchange notified by the Central Board of Indirect Tax and Custom. You have to take this because it is they have the authority to give the tax rate. Next, rate of basic custom duty is 15%, which we will take for the calculation of duty payable on assessable value, and IGST at 18% on subtotal of IGST. Compute the assessable value and duty payable. Go with the problem. Venki Limited, calculation of assessable value, right here, imported through ship. Plus US dollar amount, that is a exchange rate amount is 60 rupees per US dollar. FOB 1 lakh, and when it converted to Indian rupee 60 lakh. Next, packing charges 22,000 US dollar, Indian rupee 13 lakh 20,000. Designing and development charges 9,000 US dollar, Indian rupee 5 lakh 40,000 plus selling commission 83.33. 0.33 ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, but as it is the US dollar, so the amount will be less if you are not considering. Take the amount, that is 83.33 into 65,000, and add all this, you will get amount 1,31,083.33, that is a US dollar. When it is converted to Indian rupee, 78,65,000. Add to this freight full amount, because it is imported through ship, 28,000 US dollar, Indian rupee 16,80,000, insurance 10,000, Indian rupee 6 lakh. Totally assessable value 1 crore 69 lakh with, sorry pa, that is 1,69,083.33. It is converted to Indian rupees, that is 1 crore 61 lakh 45,000. This again you carry for the step number 2, calculation of duty payable. Particulars amount duty payable, assessable value 1 crore 61 lakh 45,000. Take in the second column nil. Again add to this BCD at 15%. It is 15% given in the problem. If it is not given, go with the default 10%. 1 crore 61 lakh 45,000 into 15%, that is 24 lakh 21,750. And in the both the column, again add both this 1 crore 61 lakh 45 plus 24 lakh 21,750, that is 1 crore 85 lakh 66,750. Next second column, that is 24 lakh 21,750. Add to this social welfare charges. Take this 24 lakh 21,750 into 10%. You will get 2,42,175. And again here 2,42,175. Add these to 1 crore 88 lakh 8,925. Here 26 lakh 63,925. Add IGST at 18% on this on this amount, that is you will get 33 lakh 85,607. Again here 33 lakh 85,607. Add these two, you will get what? Duty payable. Add these two, you will get that is landed cost. Right. By this, so we are finished with the problem relating to your custom duty. Very simple problems, not much confused and not much tricky also. Go through this problem, solve the problem, take other questions from your friends and try to solve in your available time. Thank you so much. Again we'll catch up with you soon. Bye.